dear friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing some human diseases that is caused by flatworms and roundworms. Let's discuss. Flatworms, they are soft-bodied, they are unsegmented invertebrates. Unsegmented means not divided into segments. They belong to phylum Platyhelminthes. They have flattened shape. They have bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means animals which are divided into two equal halves, that is right and left halves, by only one plane. So they are bilateral symmetry. So flatworms have bilateral symmetry. Roundworms, they have long round body. They are unsegmented. They belong to phylum nematode. They are elongated and cylindrical. They have bilateral symmetry. Pinworm disease. Causative agent of this disease is Enterobius vermicularis. Organ affected is intestine. Transmission is through physical contact and contaminated food. Whipworm disease. The causative agent of this disease is Trichuris trichiura. Organ affected is intestine. Transmission is through contaminated food and contaminated water. Roundworm disease. The causative agent is Ascaris lumbricoides. Organs affected is intestine and lungs. Transmission is through contaminated food and contaminated water and through physical contact. Hookworm disease. The causative agent is Ancylostoma duodenale. Organs affected is intestine, lungs and lymph. Transmission is through contact with vegetation. Trichinosis. Causative agent of trichinosis is Trichinella spiralis. Organs affected is intestine, muscles, and eye. Transmission is through pork consumption. Animal host is pig. Filariasis. The causative agent is Wuchereria bancrofti. Organs affected is lymph and vessels. Transmission is through mosquito, and animal host is also mosquito. Eyeworm disease. Causative agent of eyeworm disease is Loa Loa. Organs affected is eyes connectivity tissues. Transmission is through deer flies and horse flies. Animal host is insects. Beef tapeworm disease. Causative agent is Taenia saginata. Organs affected is intestine. Transmission is through beef consumption. Animal host is cattle. Pork tapeworm disease. Causative agent of pork tapeworm disease is Taenia solium. Organs affected is intestine. Transmission is through pork consumption. Animal host is pig. Intestinal fluke disease. Causative agent is Fasciolopsis busci. Organs affected is intestine. Transmission is through consumption of water plants. Animal host is snail. Blood fluke disease. Causative agent of blood fluke disease is Cystosoma mansoni. Organs affected is liver and lungs. Transmission is through contaminated water contact. Animal host is snail. Dwarf tapeworm disease. The causative agent is Hymenopsis nana. Organs affected is intestine. And transmission is through contaminated food and physical contact. This is the end of the video. We have discussed some of the human diseases that is caused due to flatworm disease and roundworm disease. Thank you.